Bitcoin money cost pretty equivalent to $117.34 a coin in a really significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 116.58 117.73, which sort of is very huge. The earlier day close, 117.19, which fundamentally is very critical. The change truly was plus 0.15, plus 0.13% amazingly. Opposite rate, USD to BCH in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value expectation for in the not-so-distant future in month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 8. Cost $114, truly most extreme 122, sort of least 106, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $117, genuinely most extreme 125, really least 109 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $114, really most extreme 122, by and large least 106, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost $115, truly greatest 123, genuinely least 107, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $117, sort of greatest 125, for the most part least 109, which certainly is genuinely huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $117, truly greatest 125, really least 109, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $115, in every practical sense, greatest 123, beautiful least 107, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $117, most extreme 125, sort of least 109 incredibly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $118, most extreme 126, truly least 110. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost $117, truly most extreme 125, especially least 109 in an exceptionally enormous way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $114, most certainly greatest 122, essentially least 106, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost $115, kind of greatest 123, in every practical sense, least 107, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $114, especially greatest 122, sort of least 106 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $112, really most extreme 120, exceptionally least 104 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $114, especially greatest 122, in every practical sense, least 106 in a significant way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $111, kind of greatest 119, especially least 103 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $109, all things considered, greatest 117, genuinely least 101, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost $102, certainly most extreme 109, most certainly least 95. So in multi-week Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $117, beautiful greatest 125, really least 109 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $104, especially most extreme 111, kind of least 97. Fundamentally further appearance how the earlier day close, 117.19 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $102, really greatest 109, genuinely least 95, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $103, most extreme 110, beautiful least 96, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost $103, beautiful greatest 110, lovely least 96, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to BCH swapping scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.8522 coins per 100 bucks, showing how Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 112 bucks, really most extreme 120, truly least 104, which is very huge. Today, S reach 0.8494 minus 0.8578 in a sort of significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.8533, or so they generally thought. Change for now 0.0011, 0.13%, showing how in about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 114 bucks, greatest 122, for the most part least 106, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 8, cost 0.877 coins, most certainly greatest 0.943, by and large least 0.820. So Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 117 bucks, kind of most extreme 125, by and large least 109 in a huge manner. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.855 coins, certainly most extreme 0.917, fundamentally least 0.800, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.877 coins, especially greatest 0.943, least 0.820 incredibly. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.870 coins, especially greatest 0.935, genuinely least 0.813 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 0.855 coins, by and large greatest 0.917, least 0.800, truly further appearance how Bitcoin money value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 114 bucks, exceptionally most extreme 122, least 106, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. And multi-week USD to BCH expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 0.855 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.917, essentially least 0.800 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.870 coins, kind of most extreme 0.935, kind of least 0.813, which explicitly is genuinely critical. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.855 coins, truly greatest 0.917, truly least 0.800 in a sort of enormous manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 0.847 coins, by and large most extreme 0.909 in every practical sense, least 0.794, sort of additional appearance how today, S reach 0.8494 minus 0.8578 in an unpretentious way. USD to BCH forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 0.855 coins, genuinely greatest 0.917, really least 0.800, which generally is genuinely critical. In about 14 days dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 22,